Okay, I'm unboxing my new crystals that I got. These are like just for me, not for my business. I'm so excited. I got them from Angelic Roots. I'll tag them on Instagram. And they're local. They're in my state and really close to my city, which is fucking amazing. I do not know who's pulling up outside my house right now. Okay. So excited. So this is a Labradorite heart. I can tell by the shape. Such good packaging. Literally so beautiful. I'm gonna have to take the filter off and do videos of these because holy shit, stunning. And then this is a flower agate sphere, and it came with a little stand, an extra crystal, and a thank you card. Thank you, you guys are so sweet, and I definitely will be stopping in because you guys are local and freaking dope. I did not know that. And again, this is a flower agate sphere.